Have you been looking for a 5-bedroom new construction home in the Greenville area? Well, today you are in luck because we're going to check out the Oakley floor plan by Meritage Homes right here in Arden Woods subdivision in the Malden area of Greenville. Hey, it's Victor Amade here with Producer Realty. My team and I cover everything residential real estate in the upstate South Carolina area, which is the greater Greenville area. That includes the Greenville, Simpsonville, Greer, Spartanburg, Anderson area, and surrounding cities and towns in the upstate. The Oakley is a 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathroom home. There's a loft area as well as a media room. There's a bedroom and a full bathroom on the main level. It's a little over 3,500 square feet, so it's a big home. Now, this neighborhood actually has a pool, cabana, and playground for the kids. There's also sidewalks in the neighborhood if you like to walk. About 20 to 25 minutes from downtown Greenville and about 10 to 15 minutes from Simpsonville. So let's go inside and take a closer look at this home and check it out. Come on. This particular home has full brick front, cement board siding on the side and the back. There is no vinyl siding in Arden Woods, this neighborhood. It's all cement board siding, brick or stone exterior. It's actually a 3-car tandem garage, so you can park a car behind another one on one side of the home. And right here is a nice size front porch. And you have the smart entry, so you can be able to put your code in to be able to get out. And to the left there is the stairs to go upstairs. Got a nice little space here where you can put a, like a console table or, your foyer table. Flex room. So this could be a formal living room, formal dining room, whatever you want to use it for. And to the right side over there, you have a butler's pantry and where the pantry is as well, which also goes into the kitchen. On this side, you have a mud room area here. And right here is a closet. And this goes into the garage. And like I said, this is a 3-car tandem garage. So this side over here is longer, so you can put a car behind another one. Tankless water heater. And it's got the luxury vinyl plank on the floor here. Give you some perspective. That goes into the living room, kitchen area. And that's your front door. And we're gonna go this way. Right here is the butler's pantry, or extra cabinets and countertop for your kitchen. Nice size pantry, walk in, so you can actually do some good shopping and fill up the pantry. Lots of cabinet and counter space, brushed nickel pools, nice size island, stainless steel appliances. Got the gas range, nice tile backsplash there. Pan around at the fireplace with the gas logs in the living room here. And this would be your breakfast area. So this area here will be your breakfast nook. Nice covered patio. And there's a study area. It's a nice, small little office here. And to the left here is a full bathroom for the main level. It's a full bath with tile floors. There's a bedroom on this level as well. So this would be a great in-law suite if you have adult children, or a bigger office if you need another office on the main level. here is a coat closet. Go upstairs, and upstairs you have carpet. So once we get up here, you get to the loft area. So good size loft. There's a bedroom here. This bedroom actually has a full bathroom. It's an ensuite bathroom. Tile floors. Go into the laundry room area. Large laundry room. Nice size. Tile floors as well. And spacious master. It's the master bedroom with tray ceiling. And this door goes into the ensuite bathroom for the owner's suite. Nice double vanity, double sink vanity. And you got some drawers and cabinet space there. Linen closet, 5-foot shower, towel, and your toilet water closet. It's private, so you have a door to close it off. Tile floors as well. Nice size walk-in closet. Get out of the master. Back in the loft area. And right here is a huge media room. Could be a play area for the kids if you don't need it as a media room. Okay, on this side, get a little pan here. We got a bedroom here. Fourth bathroom. You have double sinks in this one. Another linen closet. And a fifth bedroom. Good size room. Now this particular home, as it sits right now, is listed at $473,900. As I mentioned, Meritage is offering incentives up to $15,000 towards your closing costs, and also some of the homes qualify for interest rates as low as 5.875%. If you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amade here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye.